Hey everyone, did you know that JavaScript is one of the main technologies behind modern websites? It makes features like animations, forms, dynamic content, online games, and responsive design possible. In most browsers, JavaScript is turned on by default, so websites work as they should. Sometimes, though, JavaScript might be turned off for security, privacy, or troubleshooting. When that happens, some websites might not load right or might look broken. Knowing how to turn JavaScript back on in the Opera browser helps us get full website functionality and a better browsing experience. This guide explains how we can enable JavaScript in Opera safely and easily. With JavaScript on, websites can show interactive elements and run important scripts. This guide will show us how to open Opera settings, find the privacy and security section, and change site settings to allow JavaScript. We'll also see how to turn JavaScript on for all sites or manage permissions for certain websites. By following these steps, we make sure our browser works well while we keep control over our security settings. Now, let's see how to enable JavaScript in Opera. First, open your Opera browser and go to Settings. To go to Settings, we have two options. On the right, there's a quick setup, and at the bottom, you can open full browser settings. Or, on the left side, you can go to Settings, or press Alt+P. Once we're in the settings, we go to Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, we move to the third part, Security. Then go to Site Settings. Click Site Settings, and at the bottom, we'll find JavaScript. Click JavaScript and you'll see if it's enabled. To turn on JavaScript, just enable it. You can add here and change behaviors if you want. You can allow JavaScript to be used. Here, we can set the options the way we like. When JavaScript is turned on in Opera, websites should load better and show all interactive features. If you had problems like missing content or buttons not working, turning on JavaScript should fix them. Remember, JavaScript is needed for most websites, but we can still manage permissions for certain sites if we want. With the right settings, we get a smooth and fully working browsing experience in Opera.